Welcome to the Gonzo book. It's Sunday, the 17th of May, and it took me 3 days, but I finally finished it. I kept messing up, and finally I hit it. So, what's hard about it is if you're looking at it regular, it just looks flat, and then you have to let the light shine on it to get that holographic feeling, or effect I should say. So cool. What I want to do now is, I don't like the black, and I like the black actually, but I don't like, they're not holographic, so I got a few holographic stickers. I don't know if you can see that it has hearts on it, and this has stars, and I'm going to use, these are like clear, I believe they're clear, so they're going to be on the black side, of course. This is a black cube, and you're going to see clear. All it's going to have is holographic stars or hearts on it. So I'm going to take these two off, do this, put them on. It shouldn't take me too long, and then see how it looks. But I think it would just look better. And then you can use those two sides as your white and gray. And then all the silver right in the middle, sandwich in between. So I think that'll work better. And so I'm going to do it now. Plus, when I display it, it will look definitely better. It's getting too hot to wear that.
How are you? I hope you liked the video. Bye-bye for now.
Like galaxies in space, a puzzle from the future with an ancient mirrored face. Turn me slowly, watch a spectrum flow. Every little movement starts a cosmic show. No two sides the same, no two lights align. Maybe that's the reason I look so fine.
That's the star. We put the star on here, but I gotta take the black stickers off. Free of any residue.
Shine a light on me. A dream is in pop emotional atomic song about a holographic Megaminx. So shine a light on me.
That looks cool.
Shine a light on me. Shine a light on me. I'm on display beneath the neon glow. People stop and stare, but they don't really know. I twist in reflection, silver waves collide. A Megaminx reborn with a spectrum inside. I twinkle in the colors, like diamonds in the night. Holographic mirrors, catching every light. I may be hard to handle, hard as heck to solve, but every single turn makes the mystery evolve. I have 12 sides, stories to unfold. I might look different, but different shines like gold. Shine a light on.
Now we do the other side. What was the hearts? Better take all these.
Shine a light on me. Let the colors dance forever for the whole world to see. Shine a light on me. Shine a light on me. Shine a light on me. Shine daily by the holographic breeze. I may not be ordinary, but I was never meant to be. Some people laugh, some people walk away, some don't understand why I shimmer this way. But haters will always hate, and lovers always love. I'll keep reflecting rainbows, like stars from up above. Every sticker flashes, like galaxies in space. A puzzle from the future, with the nature mirror face. Tell me slowly, watch the spectrum flow. Every little movement starts a cosmic show. No two sides are same, no two lights align. Maybe that's the reason why I look so fine. Shine a light on me. Shine a light on me. Shine a light on me. Shine daily. I'm a holographic dream in perfect symmetry. Shine a light on me.
Yep, good. Yeah, I like this better. Definitely. Let me just pat everything down, make sure it's stuck. They were easy to work with too. So that's the star one. And that's the heart one. So my recommendation is start with heart and with stars. So this hearts would be my white and stars would be the gray. Or vice versa, whichever way you prefer. So look at that, that is nice. And as you can see, two sides didn't really take me that long. I am not going to mix this out. It took me 3 days to figure it out. There you go, that's nice. Get the heart side. See what I mean by patterns? There's a pattern there, so and some of the patterns would be on different pieces. So I try to keep the same orientation, so it doesn't look like gobbledygook. Try to. Yeah, I think I did. Yeah, so that's how it looks. Each side is different. These two sides look similar, but they're different. One's more straight. Yeah, this one's straight and this one's a little zigzag-ish. That's nice. Like I said, when you're solving it and you see it at an angle, you can't tell which pattern it is really, unless you memorize them. You got to get it to the light, and then it starts shining. Let me see. See, sometimes you can't tell what it is. And then you bring it onto the light, then it starts to shine a little bit, and then you can tell. Cool. That's going to be a nice display model for me. So, I like these clear ones too. I might have to do a full one with clear if I can find 3 by 3. Then I definitely have enough patterns to do it. It looks pretty cool. Here you go, star and hearts. Yeah, it would definitely be easier to start with one of the clear ones, because then you know once you do these, this is heart, and you have these patterns, and then you know that this anything was a clear on it, it's the gray, so you can see that right away. So, and if you know your pattern scheme, it's good. Sometimes these start with an easy one, like this one right here. I can identify that from afar, so it's easier to see. So you can maybe use that as your yellow, and then use this as your blue, and then your red, and then your green. And I think after green is purple, so you can use that as your purple, and then from there you gotta do the top, last layer. Cool. Nice. I didn't think I was going to do a video today, but I did. So let me clean up my mess. Display this baby. Ooh, let me show you the display. I got this display. Ooh, you know what? This is perfect because it's clear. I got this at thecubicle.com. Now it's for 3x3, but as you can see there, it holds a Megaminx as well. So if you want to get one of these, go to thecubicle.com. If you want this particular puzzle, if you're interested in making one of these or something similar, let me just show you what it is. It's one of those cute white toys, and that's how it looks when you buy it. And then of course I had to take all the stickers off. It'd be nice if they sold all blacks with stickers on the side. That would be cool, but I think they used to. They don't do it anymore. I guess people weren't buying them. So if I ever see one, I'm definitely getting it. But this is perfect because this is for my console Dodeca. Has round centers, and that's exactly what I wanted. That's why I use these. So if you're interested, get one at thecubicle.com. You can do your own projects. And I get blank 3x3s and blank 2x2s, and I do projects with it. I might actually do a 3x3 with these clear holographic stickers, because I have enough patterns to do. It's hard to get 12 patterns on like a Megaminx. That's why I had to do 2 clear ones, and one's actually not holographic. One's just a mirror. It's right next to the house. These two look similar. This one is a hologram. I think that's what they call a hologram. And this one's just clear mirror. That's not a hologram. So there's one that's actually not. And then you got you. Yeah, I like this. Came out really nice. Came out real nice. I won't be selling this in my SD store because it takes too long to make. My goodness, that's a lot of hours. It was like 6. I think it took me. I think I said before 3 hours total, but it might have been a little bit more because you want to take your time and do it right. So you want to make it look pretty. But I'm definitely not going to make it by hand. That would take way too long. This is probably going to be the only one that's ever going to be made in this particular sticker scheme.
Howdy ho.
And like I said, if you want this, which is going to be perfect for this, it really is.
I love that.
You can get these at thecubicle.com as well.
Thecubicle.com.
I'll put all the information on the screen so you guys can see it.
I'll see you peeps later.
So that's it. So if you have any questions, write them down below and I'll try to answer them as much as I can. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
I'll keep reflecting rainbows like stars from up above. Every sticker flashes like galaxies in space. A puzzle from the future with an ancient mirrored face. Turn me slowly, watch the spectrum flow. Every little movement starts a cosmic show. No two sides the same, no two lights align. Maybe that's the reason why I look so fine. Shine a light on me, shine a light on me. I'm a holographic dream in perfect symmetry. Shine a light on me, shine a light on me. Different isn't broken, it's what makes me legendary. Shine a light on me. Topside shining endlessly. Shine a light on me. Spectrum so for all to see.